I had to respond to this one. Woo! Y'all, if somebody is doing something out of the ordinary with their phone, it is a huge red flag. Narcissist or not, toxic person or not, is a huge red flag. Take their phone to the shower with them with a fingerprint lock on it. Sleeping with their phone in their pocket at night. Pretty much playing hide and seek with the phone at night. Hide it under the bed. Sleeping underneath it or whatever. Underneath the pillow and things like that. Of course, the old classic of laying the phone that face down all the time and whatnot with the notifications off and on silent. All of those are literally huge red flags. Like if you pick up their phone and they go belligerent on you, red flag. And what you allow will continue. Like I said, narcissist or not, toxic person or not, what you allow, if you allow that behavior, is going to continue. Like some people will take the batteries out of their phone at nighttime so you can't go through it. Those are red flags. Like, what is going on, beautiful people? Welcome to another episode of A Narcissist Explains. I am self-aware, diagnosed narcissist Lee Hammett, and I use my platform to raise awareness for NPD, get more people into therapy. Sound like a rap song, don't it? I've been in therapy for 4 years, y'all. Like myself, and then also, validate victims and survivors of this disorder as well. This series, I just go into detail into my TikTok, y'all. So the one you just watched was about some of the phone red flags about narcissists, y'all. Oh my goodness! And I know if y'all watched the skit right there, or if y'all watched the YouTube short, it's at the beginning of this video, you can kind of just see I'm exhausted. This is exhausting sometimes, y'all. Because if you don't know, I do one-on-ones over Zoom and stuff like that. The link is in my description of every video, y'all, if y'all are interested in that. I get exhausted, but hearing these, stop, look, y'all, please. I'm getting exhausted again now. For the love of all things holy and sacred on this planet, please. Do I have to get on my hands and knees? Do I have to get on my knees and beg you? I'm gonna do it. I'm in my chair right now, y'all. I'm getting on my knees right now in this chair, and I'm begging you right now, please, for the love of God, stop ignoring the damn red flags. Stop. Oh my God. So I'm gonna zip my shirt up because my shirt is red. I'm zipping it up so you can't even see the red in this shirt because you won't ignore it. You know what I mean? I'll tell you to ignore the red flags. You just focus on my shirt the whole time. Is anything else red in my background? No. Okay, cool. Let's talk. Stop ignoring the red flags. I posted this video yesterday and there's people in the comment section say, hey, look, I hide my phone. I do this with my phone. Oh, say I unzipped it. Y'all pay. I can't. It's hot in here. People say, I'm not a narcissist and I hide my phone. I take my phone to the bathroom. Intent matters, y'all. Intent. What is the intent? Yeah, your intent, if you take your phone to the bathroom for Spotify while you're in the shower and stuff like that, that's cool. That's okay. But if you're doing shady, sneaky ass stuff like taking your phone to the shower with them, no Spotify, you just put the phone in the bathroom, lock, with a face print, a fingerprint lock, face identification, voice recognition and stuff like that, that is a red flag. Those are red, like y'all. The red flags just be popping up. Like some of the descriptions I gave in the video. One of my homies on TikTok or whatever, her name is Gabby Marcellus. She went viral for talking about her ex, like literally hides his phone. He used to hide his phone in his gym shorts or around the apartment. Like he would never sleep with his phone. Like he would hide his phone around the apartment, like before he go to sleep, or he was just sleep on it, have it like in the pillowcase. Y'all, those are red. So those are red, the reddest of flags. A girl on TikTok said one of her ex used to zip tie his phone to the bedpost at night to make sure she couldn't get it and take it and go somewhere with it. What the heck? And that relationship lasted for years, y'all. Like, I know y'all love narcissists and toxic people. I know y'all be in love with people like that. I'm a narcissist, dude, but like, dear God, y'all, it just doesn't make sense to me how y'all just stop. Please, it's frustrating. It's so frustrating to me because I want you to win. I want you to have a good life. I want you to have a good existence because I feel like I'm on that path right now to having a good life and a good existence because I help more people than I hurt. You know what I mean? I'm on that pathway right now. But it's just frustrating to me because you are not a narcissist. You don't have the personality disorder I do. You just sit right here and willingly ignore the red flag because you're in love with somebody. That is not love, y'all. It's just not. They don't look like, people ask me a lot of times, do narcissists, do they love me? How are they treating you? Are they hiding their phone and they sleeping with their phone in their jacket pocket or in their tuxedo coat or they leave their phone in their shoes or they have extra phones that they're hiding? Now, y'all, stop ignoring those phone red flags. Dear God. If they show you the red flags early, They get bigger as the relationship goes on. Don't ignore, don't forgive them. I know people are like, this is the God, I'm a Christian, and Christian says forgive people. I want to say F that, but I was just like, I'm getting frustrated. I don't want to say F that and mess my video up and have it get flagged. But y'all, please God didn't put you on this earth to suffer. He didn't. Jesus died for your sins, right? Jesus suffered for you, for us. Why are you suffering willingly? You see these red flags, you are in a vulnerable, I get it, you're in a vulnerable state a lot of times, but you see a red flag. If somebody lies to you in the beginning of a relationship, they will lie to you in the middle, they'll lie to you at the end. They will forever be a liar to you because you forgave them. Forgiveness, sometimes to a narcissistic person, forgiveness is compliance. Is forgiveness, if you forgive me and you reconcile with me, it's okay for me to continue to do this behavior or to get progressively worse. That's just what it is. I'm not victim blaming, I'm not victim shaming. In the narcissist's mind, you are a co-conspirator in this life right here. You are a co-signer of this existence with me, because if you continuously forgive me for all the stuff that I put you through, all the stuff that I've done to you, then you want to be here. And that's how the narcissist mind works. It's like, it can't be that bad, right? And ask yourself this right here. This is one of the red flag indicators right now. Again, I'm not victim blaming anybody because I want you to win. Sometimes you need a shot to the gut to wake up and open your eyes to the point where you can win. Sometimes your eyes have been closed. Open them up. If you open your eyes up, you'll see the red flag in front of you. Like, you know, you've seen the movie Bird Box when the dude, like, you seen Bird Box when the dude broke into the house and he opened the woman's eyes, like, open it up and look at the bird, look at the birdie. That's what I got to do to y'all sometimes. Like, I got to open your eyes up. Bird Box. Call me Bird Box Lee now. I'm opening your eyes up to the horrors that you're experiencing right now. Just like, you know, I don't want to see it, Lee. I don't want to say just open it, damn mind. Open it. You're like, ah! I'm sorry, y'all. I know I'll be getting off topic, but y'all, this is one of my rants. I know this is about red flag, but I'm ranting right now. But y'all love my rant. Somebody said that we love ranting Lee. So here you got ranting Lee because I want you to win. I do. People ask me, like, hey Lee, you get supply from these videos, don't you, man? Hey, he just doing this because he's a simp. He wants some ass. He wants some ass. He wants to clap your cheeks. But. I do this because I only get supply when you win. I don't get supply when you lose, when you're like, oh, I went back. That's not supply to me. That makes me angry. That's the opposite of what I want. Lee, I ignored everything you told me, and I went back. Sorry, my wife texting me, y'all. I gotta see. I'm texting her back right now. This is not a red flag. I'm texting back on my MacBook. And tomorrow, I'm free. But yeah, you got it though. Stop ignoring the red flags, y'all. If they lie to you in the beginning, they'll lie to you in the middle. They'll lie to you in the end. If they cheat on you in the beginning, they'll cheat on you in the middle. They'll cheat on you in the end. If they get physically violent on you in the beginning, they'll get physically violent in the middle and physically violent in the end. These are red flags. The physical violence red flag, I'm just like, that blow my mind away. And I know you have these mental stuff. If you are in a vulnerable state, you know, if you're in a vulnerable state where you have just got out of one relationship, don't hop into another relationship. You need to heal first. If you don't heal, you take that book bag full of baggage. You take your book bag full of baggage into your next relationship. You do. I know this is a nice bag right here. I actually found this bag in Goodwill. It's like an authentic Versace bag. It's crazy. I do go. That's my shop in the back right there. That's my Goodwill shop. See? Versace bag. Versace perfume. I got it for $5. Could have resold it. You take that book bag, that Versace book bag, into your next relationship, and it treats you, and it ends up being terrible for you. Stop carrying this baggage. Like, put the bag down, work through the baggage, into that bag before you get into another relationship, or you'll start ignoring the red flags because you feel like, because you just got off one failed relationship or one failed marriage, you'll feel like you deserve this abuse. You feel like you deserve these red flags. Hey, I deserve them. I deserve this warning. Yo, if they cheat on you, they'll cheat with you. If they cheat with you, they'll cheat on you. That's a red flag. If you're in a relationship with somebody and you win, like I went from side chick or side dude to main chick, main dude, you're gonna get cheated on. You're gonna look stupid and deserve release all a lot of times. You know what I mean? Well, we met. I was married and he was married, and we ended up together. Now he cheating on me. That's what you get. And that's how my mind works. That's what you get. Like, this is your karma right here. Now we're gonna have to work through it. Now we have to work through this narcissist karma. You wanted the narcissist, you got him. Surprise, narcissist. Surprise, he's a cheater. Like, I was just shocked when they started cheating on me. Like, you were cheating with them. What the hell? You thought you were better? Stop. That's egotistical right there. That's the narcissistic trait right there. Like, you thought you were better than the other person. I thought I deserved them. Now you got them. Red flag. If you go out with them in the first few dates, they're just consistently bashing their damn exes for no reason. They're just like talking about my ex was crazy, my ex was a whore, my ex was stupid, my ex treated me terribly. They're projecting the stuff that they did to their exes onto you, make it seem like they did it to them. The stuff that they did to their exes, they're telling you that their exes did it to them. They're doing it, and you just like, and you think, you think this is a warning sign, like they're warning me. Dang, I'm not gonna do that to you. I promise you, I won't do that. My ex used to go through my phone all the time and did like this, just super over. And if you like me, you won't go through my phone. I'm setting you up early. Red flag. I know people are cute. You get attracted to people physically, and they funny, they cute. They clap their cheeks really good. They put their cheeks on you really, really good. You don't want anybody else to experience that. So you try to lock them down. You be locking down the red flags. Red flag. You open up a box of red flags, and you don't care. You just like, I'm gonna go through these red flags till I find a green one. Oh, green flag. You can clap their cheeks really good. Cool. Oh, what about the other red flag? But lying, cheating, manipulator. Whatever. Lying about how old they are. Lying about how many kids they got. Lying about, if they lie about how many kids they have, they lie about having kids, and you find out they have kids. I don't have any kids. You get into a relationship with them, you find out they got 3 they don't take care of, and you stay with them. Now it's you see that? That's a red flag. Like, well, I didn't know they had kids until 6 months into the relationship, and I found out they had 3 to take care of, and you still decided to stay with that person. You believe the reasons that he didn't like. So he lied to you about having kids. But now you believe reset. So they lied to you about having kids, right? You found out that they lied. You found out that they do have kids, right? And then they tell you a reason why they're not in their kid's life, right? And you believe the reason that they're not in their kid's life, right? Why? They lied to you about the kids. Now you want to believe them why they're not in the... Google people, y'all. I feel like Google will save y'all a lot of stuff too. I feel like Google will save you a lot of time, effort, and energy. You'll Google somebody and you find out they got 17 domestic violence charges. But woo, what's all this and you ask them instead of just leaving them alone with 17 domestic violence charges. You like, so what's this domestic violence stuff? I'm sorry I had to Google you, but what's this domestic violence stuff about? Oh man, you know how I go. People used to get on my nerves, and I would defend myself against their attacks. I defended myself against their 17 attacks, and then that's what happened. They attacked me 17 times, but I'm a man, right? And they just always take the man to jail. It's never the man, right? Men too. I was the victim in those 17 times. 17 different charges. They were the victim, and you believe and you stay in a relationship. Yeah, this episode ain't gonna make my head explode. I might have to like literally go take a bath or a cold shower or something after this episode. I know it's ran on long too, but I'm frustrated, y'all. I want y'all to win. I want y'all to win so bad because I feel like I'm winning. And and Tony Robbins says the more you help people get what they want, you get what you want. I want peace. I want peace in my mind. I want a peaceful conscience. I want peace. I want to help y'all I want to help more people get peace. I want to help more people win because if I help more people win, then I win. Let's win together. It's a symbiotic relationship. Like I love symbiotic relationships. I love them. Find your peace. Find your healing. Please, y'all. God. Stop ignoring the red flags. There's 8 billion people on the planet. Why does it have to be this one in front of you? Why does it have to be this person in front of you? There's 8 billion people on the damn planet. Why does it have to be this one? Why this one? You got 8 billion other, you got 8 billion other choices. Why this one lying, cheat, ass, manipulating person? Why them? Why this one? Why? Why it blows my damn mind? You got 8 billion choices. You choose the worst one and you stick with it. You double down on that choice. People tell you, hey, look, that person, the terrible person, There's red flags all around, but you think you're better than everybody. You think you know more than everybody else. You don't listen to your friends and family. Hey, we don't like this person. They're toxic. They're lying. They're manipulated. They're cheating. Whatever. You think you know better is you ignore all of them and you get what you deserve with a narcissist or a toxic person. Listen. Your heart will get you hurt. When your brain and your heart are not in alignment, your heart will get you hurt 100% of the time. If your brain and your heart are fighting, go with your brain. Your heart is down here in your chest. It can't see. It can only feel. Your brain can see, feel, touch, smell, and hear. All of that stuff. Your heart can only feel. You trust in one sense over all the other senses in your brain. Your brain is in control of all of this. When your heart and your brain are not in alignment, you get hurt. You continuously get hurt. Because you trust your heart. I'm going to follow my heart on this one. My brain is telling me the 25 people that I told about this relationship have all told me I was wrong. But you know what? I'm going to double down and I'm going to be right. I'm going to prove them wrong. And you end up looking stupid. And then you get embarrassed because you don't want to tell everybody what you're going through because they told you so, right? So you stay in it longer. You double down. You triple down. You quadruple down. Stop. Win. Stop it right now. You can stop it right now. You can stop the suffering right now. Baby steps in the right direction. I'm not telling you to make a drastic change today. I'm telling you to take baby steps in the right direction to get where you want to go. Baby steps are still steps. When that baby is learning how to walk, is it still not moving? It might take it longer to get here. It might take it longer to get here than an adult. It might take longer to get where it's going than an adult, but it still gets where it wants to go, right? It's harder to get over some obstacles for babies. Baby steps, baby climbing, baby stuff. Baby steps are still steps in the right direction, y'all. I just want you to win. I know I'm frustrated as hell because I'm angry, but I want y'all to win, and I hate when you willingly want to lose. I want to stay in this relationship. Why? What are you gaining? What are you gaining for this person? What are you gaining from them? Oh, nothing. Just nothing. Just the body. Just a present. It's just him. It's just her. Is that it? Is that it? Literally, that's it right there. That just blows my damn mind to the point I just get so frustrated and angry. Yeah, I'm just telling you. My heart rate is up. I wish I had my Apple Watch on. I would show y'all my heart rate. It's beating crazy right because I'm angry. So I want y'all to win. Stop ignoring the red flags. They're red flags for a reason. They're not don't use the red flags. I know some of y'all like to get freaky and get tied up to the bed and stuff like that. Don't use the red flags to tie them up to the bed. Like, here's 7 red flags right here. Use them to tie me to the bed so I can clap your cheeks better. What? No. Use the red flag as a blindfold. You don't need, use one red flag as a blindfold. 2 to tie your hands to the bedpost. And the other one, like another red flag, just to tickle you. Like, ooh, tickle. It's ticklish. I'm ticklish. No! Come on, y'all. Please. I swear to God. I swear to God. I just want to see you win. I promise that's it right there. I promise you that's it right there. I just want to see you win. And do I have selfish reasons for wanting to see you win? Yes, because when you win, I win. Does it make me a selfish, egotistical person? So be it. If wanting you to win makes me a selfish, egotistical person, then I'll be the most selfish, egotistical person on this planet. Point blank period. Everybody try to question my motivation. I just want to see you win. That's what I want to do. And I want you to win. I want you to win because of the information you got from me. Cool. But as long as you win, when you lose, it makes me mad, y'all. I want you to win. I just do. Dang, this video is long as hell. I got the rant, y'all. God dang. Dang it. Okay, y'all. Like and subscribe for more. Like, y'all gonna love this live show. When I go live, I'm gonna be on here I'm gonna be sipping. I'm gonna be live and sipping and crazy. But anyway, y'all, I truly appreciate y'all. Mental illness is out. Peace. Stop ignoring the red flags.